So I've let all of this dry, and what I'm going to do now is I kind of want to go back and make some of the greens a little darker. So one of the things that I've done that I encourage you to do, so I let my tray completely dry out. So all of this is still usable color, but because most of the water's gone, it's going to be a darker and stronger color. So, which is exactly what I want, because I'm going to try to go back and make some bits darker. So I'm going to get my paintbrush wet. I'm going to go in here, get this paint on my brush. All right. And then I'm just going to go back and I'm just pouncing a little. Oops, there's a lot of water in here, so I'm going to dry it off. But the other thing that I'm going to want to do, I'm going to dry brush actually that stem so I get some of that texture. There we go. All right. So all that different colors just kind of makes it a little bit more interesting. Okay, so now let's talk about dry brush. Let's see. Okay, now it's wet. Dry my brush, spread it out a little. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit of, okay. Let's see. Gonna use, where to put it? There it is. All right. Okay, so. And I don't know if you can see it. All I'm doing is just adding a little bit of texture to these branches and brushes so that it looks just a little bit, you know, more realistic. And there's actually a couple other places that I might like to dry brush. So get my paintbrush, dry it, spread it, and I'm just gonna pick up some of this stuff. Yeah, we're just adding a little bit more complexity and color. There we go. All right, so more or less, I'm gonna say that this is complete. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna call it complete yet. I'm gonna add a little bit more color. All right. I feel like okay. All right. So we are just going to call this a day. I think we're just going to call this finished. All right.